Have a seat, Pete.
Are you tooting? Okay, just don't poop on Mommy's leg, okay? No?
No? What are you pointing at? Anybody want to say hi to Aunt Megan? We'll post this on YouTube so Aunt Megan can see it.
Hi, Aunt Megan!
Hi, Aunt Megan!
We love you! Say hi, Aunt Megan.
Okay. That it? That's all you...
Say I love you.
John, you want to say anything to Aunt Megan?
Say, come home, Aunt Megan, we miss you. Say, come home.
Come home.
Say, see, come see me.
Come get me.
I love you. Look at the camera. Say, I love you, Aunt Megan.
Hey, where does Aunt Megan live? Alright, where do you take a plane to go see Aunt Megan?
Hawaii.
Where?
I do I.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, we should go to Hawaii one day, don't you think?
No.
Well,
Go see Aunt Megan?
would you rather go to the water park?
There's not more.
No more.
I want
I'll get you an egg or something.
Alright.